Yo, what's up? Welcome to another marvelous video. I'm sorry it's been like 5 months since my last video, but you know, there's nothing much I could say really. But anyways, today I have a new video for you. I hope you guys enjoy, and we are accompanied by a very, very special guest.
I am the best at every sport. No one can beat me. People call me the king of the sea. Every car in the world belongs to me. I'm the supreme leader of North Korea. Hello, my name is Kim Jong-un.
Yes, as you can see, my special guest is
Kim Jong-un.
Kim Jong-un. Well, certainly me. I only found about this guy in the movie The Interview, and honestly, I think he's pretty interesting. These are 10 ways to be Kim Jong-un.
Number 1, be Korean. Number 2, have nice haircut. Number 3, don't take shit. Number 4, have the biggest house in the world. Number 5, be a dictator to a country. Number 6, don't forget to take all the food for yourself. Number 7, old fancy cars. Number 8, rule the sport. Number 9, get the prettiest woman in the world. Number 10, be Kim Jong-un.
And those are 10 ways you can be, of course, Kim Jong-un. Okay, now, a little thing I just want to clear up. His name is not Kim Jong-un. His name is actually Luca.
Alfonso.
He's about 11. How old is he? He's about 10 years old. And yeah, I just really wanted to do a video with him because he's the closest looking thing to Kim Jong-un. Just look at this. Okay, anyway, thank you so much to Luca who helped me with this video. We also made another video, and promise that's coming very soon, called YouTube Whispers, between me and him. I'm sure you know what that is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
The supreme leader say you must like, subscribe, and peace.